Emma is a 20-year-old student at a big university in London. Her days are always busy, but she enjoys her life. Let's see what happens in one of her typical days and pay attention to all the different ways we use the verb get. Emma's alarm clock rings at 7 a.m. She gets up slowly. It's hard to wake up early. After she gets out of bed, she goes to the bathroom. There she gets washed and gets dressed. She chooses a comfortable blue sweater and jeans. Next, Emma gets breakfast ready. She usually has toast and coffee. While she's eating, she checks her phone. She sees a message from her friend Lucy. Don't forget, we get together for studying at 3 p.m. Emma smiles and texts back, "Okay, I'll be there." At 8:30 a.m., Emma gets ready to leave the house. She packs her bag with books, a notebook, and her laptop. She also gets her umbrella. The weather forecast says it might rain. To get to university, Emma takes the bus. The bus stop is just around the corner. She gets on the bus and finds a seat near the window. On the way, she listens to a podcast to get her mind off her worries about an upcoming exam. She gets off the bus near the campus and walks to the main building. Her first class starts at 9:15 a.m. When she gets in, she sees her classmates. They get along very well. They often help each other with homework. The morning classes are interesting but long. By 12:30 p.m., Emma is hungry. She goes to the university canteen to get lunch. She buys a salad and a sandwich. While eating, she talks to her friend Tom. Tom says he's having trouble with his history essay. Emma promises to get back to him later and help. After lunch, Emma has a free hour. She decides to get some work done in the library. She finds a quiet place, takes out her books, and starts reading. She wants to get ahead with her studies so she won't have to rush before exams. At 3 p.m., it's time to get together with Lucy as planned. They meet in a small cafe near the university. Lucy has already gotten hold of some useful study materials. They spend 2 hours discussing topics and getting through difficult questions. Lucy sometimes gets confused, but Emma helps her get the hang of complex ideas. By 5 p.m., they're both tired. They say goodbye, and Emma starts thinking about how to get home. She checks the bus schedule. The next bus leaves in 10 minutes. She gets to the stop just in time and gets on the bus. On the way home, Emma's phone rings. It's her mom. "Hi, sweetie. Can you get some milk when you're back? We're out," her mom says. "Sure, I'll get it," Emma replies. She gets off the bus at her usual stop and walks to the supermarket. She gets a bottle of milk and a few other things her mom asked for. Then she gets back home. Inside, Emma feels a bit tired. She takes a short break. She gets comfortable on the sofa and watches a funny video to get her spirits up. After that, she gets down to her homework. She has to write an essay and prepare for a seminar. Around 8 p.m., her roommate Anna comes home. Anna looks upset. "I can't get over how hard today's physics class was," she says. Emma listens and tries to get Anna to feel better by offering some tea and a chat. They talk for a while, then Emma checks her watch. It's getting late. She needs to get to bed early. Tomorrow is another busy day. Before sleeping, she writes a quick to-do list.